Grizzly bears are one of the most iconic animals of North America, symbolizing both the beauty and danger of the wild. These powerful creatures have captivated people's imaginations for centuries. But how much do we really know about them? In this video, we'll explore the world of the grizzly bear, exploring their size, where they live, and whether or not they pose a real threat to humans. Grizzly bears, scientifically known as Ursus arctos horribilis, are a subspecies of the brown bear. They are recognized by their massive size, distinctive hump on their shoulders, and their long claws. Grizzlies are strong, independent, and incredibly resourceful animals that play a vital role in the ecosystems they inhabit. One of the first things that come to mind when we think about grizzly bears is their enormous size. Adult males can weigh anywhere between 400 to 800 pounds, with some even reaching up to 1,200 pounds in certain regions. Their size can vary depending on food availability and geography. They stand about 3.5 to 4 feet tall at the shoulder, but when on their hind legs, they can reach a towering height of 8 feet or more. Grizzly bears are native to North America, primarily found in the wilderness of Alaska, western Canada, and parts of the northwestern United States. Their preferred habitats range from dense forests to alpine meadows and even tundra regions. Historically, they roamed much wider areas, but today their range has diminished significantly due to human activities. Grizzlies are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and animals. Their diet is incredibly diverse and depends on the season. They eat berries, nuts, roots, and grasses, but also hunt for fish, small mammals, and sometimes large animals like moose or deer. One interesting fact is their love for salmon, which provides essential fats for hibernation. Speaking of hibernation, grizzly bears have a fascinating way of surviving harsh winters. During the colder months, they enter a deep sleep, where their body temperature drops and their metabolism slows down. They can go months without eating or drinking, relying on the fat they've stored during the warmer seasons. Grizzly bears are considered a keystone species. They play an important role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. For instance, by digging for roots or disturbing the soil, they help with seed dispersal, and by feeding on salmon, they help transfer nutrients from the water to the land, benefiting other wildlife and plant life in the process. Now, one of the most frequently asked questions: are grizzly bears dangerous? The answer is yes, but with a caveat. Grizzly bears are not naturally aggressive toward humans. However, they can become dangerous if they feel threatened or if they're surprised. A mother grizzly with cubs is particularly protective and will defend her young if she perceives a threat. To avoid dangerous encounters, it's crucial to follow proper bear safety protocols when in bear country. If you're heading into grizzly bear territory, preparation is key. Always hike in groups, make noise to avoid surprising a bear, and carry bear spray as a precaution. If you do encounter a bear, remain calm, avoid direct eye contact, and slowly back away. Never run. It may trigger the bear's chase instinct. Grizzly bears were once hunted to near extinction in some regions. Thanks to conservation efforts, their populations have started to recover. However, they are still considered a threatened species in many areas. Protecting their habitats and ensuring peaceful coexistence with humans remains critical to their survival. Grizzly bears typically give birth during hibernation, usually to 1 to 3 cubs. These cubs are born small, blind, and helpless, relying on their mother's care for survival. Grizzly bear mothers are known for being fiercely protective and nurturing, staying with their cubs for up to 2 years before the young bears go off on their own. Throughout history, there have been numerous famous encounters between humans and grizzly bears. Some have ended in tragedy, while others are remarkable stories of survival and respect for these magnificent animals. These stories remind us of the raw power of nature and the importance of coexisting with wildlife safely. Grizzly bears are an essential part of our world, and there are ways we can help protect them. Supporting conservation programs, learning about their behavior, and spreading awareness are just a few ways we can contribute. If you're passionate about wildlife conservation, consider donating to organizations that work to protect grizzlies and their habitats. Grizzly bears are more than just fearsome creatures. They are a vital part of the natural world with an important role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. By understanding more about them, we can help protect these magnificent animals for future generations. Before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more content about wildlife and nature. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there in bear country.